Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Bakir. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to build an professional password generator using Python. First, let's run the program and see how it works. After that, I will explain the code step by step. As you can see, our program has started successfully and display a welcome screen. Now it's asks me to enter the password length. I will enter 12. Next, it asks whether I want to include uppercase letter. I will select yes. Now I will include lowercase letter by selecting yes. I will also include number by selecting yes. Finally, I will include special characters by selecting yes. Now the program asks how many password I want to generate. I will enter 2. Great. The program has generated two strong random passwords. You can also see the password strength display as strong or very strong. Next, the program asks whether I want to save the password to a file. I will select yes. Then it's asks if I want to copy the password to the clipboard. I will also select yes. Finally, it's asks if I want to generate another password. If I select no, the program ends successfully. Now let's understand how this project works. At the beginning of the program, I imported the required modules. The random module is used to select random characters. The string module provides uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and special characters. The Colorama library is used to display colorful output in the terminal. The Pyperclip library allows us to copy the generated password directly to the clipboard. Next, I created the welcome function which displays the project title. Then I create the ask yes no function. This function accepts only yes or no as user input and validates the response. After that, the get length function asks the user for the password length and ensure that only valid numbers greater than or equal to 4 are accepted. The build character set function creates a collection of characters based on the user's choice, such as uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and special characters. Then comes the generate password function. Inside this function, for loop runs according to the password length and random choice. Select one random character at a time until a password is complete. Next, the password strength function checks the generated password. It verifies the password length whether it contains lowercase letter, uppercase letter, and special characters. Based on these conditions, it displays weak, medium, strong, or very strong. The save password function stores the generated password in a text file if the user chooses yes. The copy password function copies the password directly to the clipboard using the Pyperclip library. Finally, the main function controls the entire project by calling all the functions in the correct order. This project demonstrates several important Python concepts including functions, loops, condition, user input, modules, file handling, exception handling, and working with external libraries. I hope you found this project helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code with Bakir for more Python projects. Thanks for watching.